Hello YouTube, I'm going to continue our discussion on the pen tool, and we're going to move on to the final option on the pen tool, which is exclude overlapping path areas. So again, we're going to just draw out a quick shape holding down the shift key and close that shape off. Oops, I realise I've done something wrong there. I've got Control Alt Z. I was drawing a path out there because I've just been messing with something. I need to select the shape layer, so I do apologise for that. Draw a shape out and close it off, and then we're going to select the exclude overlapping shape areas. Click that, and you'll see this time when I draw out the shape or intersect the shape, and I'll close that off, and you'll see it actually excludes the part where they intersect. So with the previous option, the part where we intersected was the piece that was left over, and this option actually excludes the intersecting piece. So if we just click on the background layer there and click back to our shape, you can see quite clearly what we're left with, where the original shape, the original rectangle here, and we drew out our second shape, and it intersects on the rectangle there. It's actually excluded that part. So what you could do to what you can do with this shape, I'm just going to draw out another quick rectangle, close it off, and select the final option again to exclude overlapping shape areas. I'm just going to draw a shape inside this time and just do something a little bit different, and just click on the background again so it removes the path lines. You can press Control H, I believe, remove the path would have been easier, but you can see what kind of things you can get up to with that. It gives you quite a lot of flexibility. You can make custom shapes. You know, if we wanted to just one more go with this, I'm going to draw a shape out again. Love the rectangle or square, and then we started up here and add a second point, and over here we want to make this one a little bit round, and then kind of funky that was, but oh my doggy. Sorry guys, I got the wrong tool. I'm just going to select the tool with the option that we want. Start at the top, intersect there, and then back out, and you can see what we're left with. Control H to hide the path is where it's removed the intersect area there, the area that intersected. So we've got kind of a funky little freaky shape. So I hope that helps. Anyway guys, I think that pretty much concludes the discussion for the pen tool. I hope I've covered it. It's not you know, it's no low level discussion about it, but I hope it's helped you on your way to using the pen tool. And as I mentioned in the previous tutorials, don't be scared of the pen tool, because it is well, it was for me, it was quite daunting. I used to find every way to try and do something you know, as opposed to using the pen tool, which sometimes is a lot easier. The options that we haven't covered up here, these are just obviously presets. You can see this is like selecting your tools that you have down here, your shape tools. It's just a quick option again, you know, while you're drawing. Custom shapes, you can go into custom shapes here, and from the select the little arrow there, and you can see you've got a list of custom shapes. If you haven't used this before, some things that are quite useful, your TM there for your trademark, and registered something, copyright there. And to change these, you can click on the little arrow there and go to pick which category you want, and you can select animals for example. Replace current shapes with your shapes from animals. Okay, and you can see we've got a list of a box of custom animal shapes. Let's close that up. I think we pretty much covered all these things now. Any questions anyway guys, just feel free to drop me a line or comment and subscribe on there, would be fantastic. Thanks very much, take care.